Right, so next day in here in Harar, a rainy day. I'm getting soaked. But we're going to walk around, explore the markets, old Harar, which goes back 1,000 years. So yeah, it's going to be a good day. Getting followed again. So let's get to it. Money? No money. It begins. It begins. Huh? Oh wow, what a cool guy. Yes. Huh? Ready? Oh yeah. Smile. Hey. Oh, careful, careful, careful. There we go. Look at these streets. This is so cool. Look at this. Farancho! Farancho! Assalamu alaikum! Nice people around here. So yeah, we're actually walking through old Harar, all this area. And it dates back like 1,000 years, so very historical place. A lot of things have happened here. Definitely worth checking out. All these walls are like 1,000 years old. So at night time, hyena all come around here?
Sorry?
Hyenas all come around this area?
Come around here to find like different food.
Wow.
And they clean up the street. So there is a hyena entrance gate.
Hyena entrance gate.
The hyenas. They clean up the street and then they're chasing away also the bad spirit. People they believe that
Bad spirits. They chase away the bad spirits. You know that?
I didn't know that. Wow, okay, we're close.
As you can see, it's soaking wet around here. It's been hammering it down since I've been here. Ethiopia's coming into monsoon season, so I think it is time to leave. I don't want to be here when it's raining. See enough of that in England. This is the biggest street in Harar.
Sorry?
Sorry, it's the biggest street?
The busiest.
Busiest, okay.
Yeah. The busiest one. The people they came from countryside for shopping and for sale, so they use this street.
They come up here.
Yeah. And then also there is a tailors in the corner.
Yeah.
So they make clothes. So all the tailors are here men. Normally women they make design or decorations, but tailors are only men.
Let's check it out.
One of the biggest.
My friend,
Hey, good man.
where come from?
Salam.
Where come from?
England.
Okay, I come from Johannesburg.
Oh yes.
I am South African.
Yeah, good man. Good man.
How did you enjoy it? Yeah,
I love it.
it's good.
It's good, brother. Nice people here. Right, on to the busiest street in Harar. Well done. Good morning. In Dayton. Good. He beat me to my question.
From where?
I'm from England.
England.
Yeah.
Nice.
Thank you, thank you.
London.
Yeah, London. So I actually walked through this last night and it was completely packed. It's not that busy at the moment. Still a little bit busy. Yeah, what a place. Feels like you're going back like 1,000 years in time, doesn't it? Look at that. Ladies carrying chickens on their head. Goats running wild. What a place. Salam alaikum. Hey brother, salam. Johannes, this must be a culture shock for you as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Completely different. Because obviously you've travelled Europe, you know, lived in Addis for ages, and now you're here in the streets of Harar. Look at this place. Incredible.
Amazing.
It is cool. So Ben was just explaining, because obviously we're in like a Muslim area, predominantly Muslim. There's like small mosques everywhere you go. Look at this like small mosque tucked in here along these alleys. And then you got like big mosques in the city. But yeah, these are pretty cool. You're not allowed in here.
They have been for 10 years in Harar.
Sorry?
It was built by Egyptians.
Egyptians built it.
So
Ah,
from 1875 up to 85, they went for 10 years there when they have been in Harar. So it was built by Egyptians.
so this is over 100 years old?
Yeah, so this is
Wow.
Egyptian mosque.
Look at that.
So the design also is different from other mosques.
Okay, we're buying some street food here in the streets of Harar. Just one. Just want to try it. Oh, thanks, Ben. $3 for a big donut. Are you going to try it, Salam? You're going to try the other thing that we seen yesterday? $3 is about 6 cents or 5p. I'm a segalaho. Thank you. Let's try it. Okay? It's a sugary donut. Try it, try it. I'll have a bite. I'll have a bite. Yeah. It's very hot, right? It's good. It's good. Thank you. Okay. Johannes, do you want that? No, I'll have a taste of this. I'll be honest, not that great. Very dry. So I'll give it to Johannes. How is it, mate? It's good. Okay, we're now walking down the most narrowest street here in Harar, known as the Peacemaker, because when people used to walk down here back in the day, they'd collide. I mean, look how narrow it is. And they'll bash in, and then they'll make friends. But I'm not going to make friends with her. Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
That was amazing.
Yeah, the most narrow street in Harar. Look at that. Is this the vegetable market? Yeah?
You've been here before, haven't you?
I haven't been here before. Oh, I see what you're saying. Oh God, cut that out.
Funny.
Faranjo. Hello, salam. Does feel like you're going 1,000 years back in time. God, it's getting busy up here now. Lady selling garlic. It's a pile of leaves. I think that's lettuce. Potatoes, tomatoes. Lady's chilling. The rain is getting heavier. Sorry. Okay, we're leaving the vegetable market. Oh. Uh-oh, someone has showered at me. I'm going to carry on filming. Look at this place, it is crazy here. Ben, what is this gate? What does this mean?
Shower gate.
Shower gate.
Yeah, shower gate. This is a rebuilt one.
What is it? What is it?
A rebuilt one. A rebuilt again. Before it was a wooden door.
Oh, it was a wooden door. Now it's obviously a concrete
So the
entrance.
The Egyptians also rebuilt this gate.
Yeah.
And then also Italian, they make it more modern.
Oh, I
so
see.
This is one of the rebuilt gates.
Amazing. So we're heading to the spice market. Okay, into the spice market now. Oh.
Like room, and also moving the baskets. Many baskets.
That's for using to like clean the floor.
Yeah, and then
Yeah, I've
also
seen this everywhere.
moving the basket, also
Yeah.
to make baskets.
Okay, into the spice museum, spice market we go. It looks manic. This is going to be good. Yeah, I can smell it. I can smell the spice. Oh, it is proper muddy in here. Mosh pit. Look at this. Salam, 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 salam. Salam alaikum. Whoa, he looks like... You're never going to guess who I've just bumped into. Salam. Looks like him. Yeah, no. Behind. Ronaldinho. Look. It's Ronaldinho. Yeah, it does. Uncanny. Wow, who would have thought I met Ronaldinho here in Harar? Yesterday I met David Beckham. I'll post a photo now. And now I met Ronaldinho. Who's next? Where are we?
We're in Brazil.
Still in the the home of Ronaldinho.
Is he Brazilian though?
He's Brazilian, yeah. Oh, all the spices are making me cough. I've not got corona. Oh, look out.
You might have malaria.
I could have malaria, you're right. He's sneezing, I'm coughing. Oh, it's a strong smell in the air. It's like burning the back of my throat. God, it is so packed in here, I can't... Watch out, watch out.
It's so. Let's just take over.
Try
It's
move,
so
try walk.
It's so packed in here.
Can't physically walk. Salam.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Not you. Check it out. We have got the traditional Ethiopian. What do you call this?
Jabana.
Just a coffee pot. Jabana.
Jabana, yeah.
The classic
Made from
Ethiopian.
clay.
Made from clay. You can make this in Addis. Salam's going to be doing that in Addis, aren't you? Aren't you, Salam?
This is
Best-
for incense.
Incense, yeah.
When for coffee ceremony, you just put it in a charcoal fire.
Best coffee in the world, Ethiopian. Jesus Christ, and he got killed. You need to keep your eyes peeled around here. Bloody hell. Salam, salam, salam. Okay, we're heading to the top of this rooftop to get like a view of the city. Oh, there's people sleeping here. There's people sleeping here as well. Ladies and gentlemen, I give to you the chaos city of Harar. But a great city. I've loved it here. Definitely come here if you come to Ethiopia. And make sure you get a guide. What's... Whoa! What a cool bike. What's this place? A meal? What's a meal? What does that mean? Oh, okay, let's check it out. What's this place?
Grinding mill.
Grinding mill.
Yeah. So people they bring from outside like chili, wheat, egg, sorghum. So they bring here. They do for the machines. They make a flour.
So they're making flour. Let's get closer.
Yeah, take a look.
So this museum was built by the Indians.
It's built right there. It used to be the honeymoon palace of Harar Selassie.
Ah, ooh, honeymoon.
Honeymoon suite.
So when you get married, they stay here and then we move like this. Now it's a private museum.
You can't use it as a honeymoon suite anymore.
Are you going to have your honeymoon here, Salam?
Yes, I am. Yeah. Are you joining me?
What, are you asking me to marry
Absolutely not.
you? Jesus. Just to make something clear, me and Salam are not a couple.
Excuse me. I was supposed to use that in my video.
She's my secretary. She gets me around by translating,
wait.
and she uses me for views. That's just how it works.
Secretary or secretary?
She's not that either. She might want to be. Don't blame her, but she's not.
To the right.
Sorry about that, Ben.
That's okay.
Please continue your tour. How you doing? Whoa! Yes. There's two words they know here: Ferenci, which means like a white man, and Corona. So they're screaming Corona, Ferenci. Corona. Okay, guys, get to school. Come on, off you go.
Okay, okay.
Good job. Right, we're into the museum. Come on.
This is Elias,
So Ben,
the curator.
Yes.
The museum guide.
we're gonna be paying 50 baht each
To get inside?
to get inside. Do you wanna know what you're paying? Do you wanna guess?
Oh, come on. What's the white man price? So what's the white man price?
Up to Ethiopian diaspora to pay 100.
100. That's fine. I'm happy to pay. No problem. Okay, so we had a little tour of the museum. It's about 20 minutes, seen some old books, something like 600 years old. Some old jewellery, some old guns, so a pretty cool place. We're now on top of the museum with a view of Harar. And it's pretty impressive. Call for prayers happening, so let me film this. Okay, bad news, my camera has died. I'm going to be filming the rest of this video on my iPhone. Good news, I got a local traditional Islamic hat to fit right in during Ramadan here. There's one more thing I want to show and try out, so follow me. Let's go.
Ready? Yeah, he's flying already. Just do it. Close. Just do it again. I'm just gonna come a bit closer now.
Go!
That was close.
Yeah. Proper stamps into you. Don't bottleneck. Ooh! Ooh! Nice. Jesus Christ. Hand's been cut open here. That really hurt.